Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be cooking brown stew chicken foot, so stay tuned. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to be updated whenever we post a new video. Bless up, another Saturday afternoon, some nice Jamaican chicken foot. Yeah man, when last I had some of this. Yeah, today we are brown stew in it. If you go and catch it, color them. Some people cook it different, but I'm gonna show you how I do it around here. Yeah, it will be nice. You can have this with rice and peas, white rice, or even some dumpling and yam or shot like that. Most people use chicken foot to cook soup, but hey, we're being different around here. Yeah. Look at that goodness. About catching color, look how good old chicken to them. Yeah man, so it start making color now. That brown look, oh my god, these are to die for. When they put one in your mouth, may I tell you, say, you want the whole pot. Yeah man, so make it go and do business. You go and catch them color and thing. Sometimes you can try it out, you know, you can even curry it too. You can even curry them shot man. Alright, so it's almost time, almost finished. It's actually doing its thing. Nice Saturday evening dinner. Yes! Alright, so it's simmering down to gravy, and in no time it will be ready for teeth and gums. Yep. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like this video, share it, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for your continual support.